siya pag-forward.
So how many more minutes?
I don't know actually. Nabayaan na tayo ng lifeguard. Bahala na nga kayo. Ano yung lifeguard? Wala pa. Kapi na naman ang
Pamo. Dry. Doon kayo na ang laki ng hito. Dapat dito may mga isda, mga koi.
Oh, I saw something swimming there.
Where?
There, that area.
It's alligators. Maybe sure it's not an alligator.
It's okay, you're more closer to the edge.
If it's alligator, you will see me the expert driving.
Oh, it's gone now. If anything, we're actually moving to the exit.
Siguro ang lalim nito, no? Yung init, ramdam ko yung sinuot nating life jacket.
Nawisan ko.
Ang init sa likod.
Thank you. And where is yours?
Oh yeah, I forgot to charge it.
You forgot to bring it. Good that LG has two. But I will forward ko. Pwede pala yun na. Forward. Iyan ang konti. Oh, yan. Tapos straight. Ah. I-adjust mo konti. Sabi nila, grabe yung apat ko, hindi nainitan dyan. Hindi kaya, ang lamig niya eh.
Nagsauna kami.
Saan ka lang?
We should put our hands in the water.
Yeah, I want to.
Are we allowed?
Maybe no. You cannot touch it.
Yeah,
It's
I
far.
can.
You can touch?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going back.
Oh, may mga upuan din sila dito.
Kaya sa mga diners yata yun. Ang dami ng baby oh.
Saan?
Ayo.
Ay, oo nga. Lapit tayo doon na.
Baby?
Doon tayo doon.
Baby, where?
Baby.
Ayun oh. May
Baby.
dito.
Ah, everywhere also. Which one? Plants?
Bibe. Takbo.
Ah, that!
I saw a ducks. Where is it, ducks?